Hey Mike, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Was gonna make this brief video to kind of explain exactly what you can expect during our services: the outside siding wash, outside window clean, and gutter clean. As you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our customers. You're busy, we're busy, we don't always have a chance to meet up. But essentially, when it comes to the siding wash, most people are used to high pressure, pressure washing with only water, and which gets okay results. But with our process, we're actually able to guarantee that your siding is going to stay green algae for up to 2 years because we properly eradicate it and kill it. So when we apply the detergent from the ground up, we let it dwell. This green actually turns brown, and then it disappears within the span of about 20 to 30 minutes. And then from there, with the proper amount of pressure, no more than a garden hose, we rinse it down safely and effectively, so you don't have to worry about any water getting behind the siding. Don't have to worry about damaging any gas panes in between your windows. I noticed in the front of your house that big large pane has that problem with the gas that is released from it. So our process is done with up to 10 gallons a minute, so we wash quickly and effectively, and we do it all from the ground with no brushing, so it's safe and effective. That way no risk falls back on you. No one's on ladders and pressure washing. So when it comes to your outdoor windows, our process is done with a water-fed pole from the ground. The water that we clean your glass with is super purified, mineral-free water, and it allows us to make sure windows are, when they dry, after we scrub them with the purified water, it is guaranteed to be spot and streak free. And we scrub your glass with monofilament brush, bronze wool pad. It breaks down any possible mineral deposits that have developed on your glass over the years. So also including a quote to just completely replace your gutters on the front of the house. They look like they're kind of saggy, and so when you're ready to have that done, the quote is generally good for about a year. Or if you like, you can check out the bundle that we have below this video, and you can see how when bundling all the services together, it gives you a pretty decent discount to do some maintenance and upgrades to the home. My name is Eddie, owner-operator. I'm on every job site and make sure that you're happy with all the work that is done. Look forward to working with you, and any questions you have, feel free to call or text me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Looks like you had a new roof. One of our divisions of Multi-Man Services is where we've partnered with Roof Max. And tell your friends, family, and neighbors about us. If you know somebody that's looking to possibly replace the roof, not sure if they should, our process allows to apply multiple treatments to extend a roof up to 15 years for a fraction of the cost of what it would be to replace your roof. So this is what we're passionate about. We look forward to serving you. Have a great day.